Hey everybody, welcome to Friday Fun with the Creativity Cave. I'm Dina Rico and I'm so excited that you're here. I have a really super cute project to share with you today. I think you're going to absolutely love it. It's super fun and easy and it's just happy. I hope you are also loving this fun new series that I've got. So to get started, we are going to be using the Just My Type stamp set. This is one of the new sets in our catalog, and it is for sure one of my faves. I really, really love it, and I hope that you do too. So you can of course purchase all the supplies that I'm using in my online store in case you're wondering where they come from. I would love to have you enjoy this. In fact, I'm using this bundle in game night this month, which I will just quickly shamelessly plug. This is happening next week. So if you're not registered, there's a link in the description. I'll also put it in the little pop-up here for you so you can join us for Stampin' Game Night Workshop. And this is one of the sets we're using. So if you don't have it, you can add it to your registration. So it's easy peasy. Now we're going to start with a basic gray card base. So I'll just give that a crease. And this card is, like I said, it's just super cute and super easy. I have embossed with the exposed brick embossing folder this background in smoky slate, which coordinates really nicely with the basic gray. And I'm going to adhere it to my card here like that. And I'm putting down maybe a little extra adhesive just so that it doesn't have any parts that pop up. Okay, now I'm going to use with my Just My Type stamp set this die cut that I cut from the Nested Essentials dies. This is a really great all-purpose set of dies. I've been using this a ton. It's actually been kind of my workhorse lately. I've used it on so many things, and I think you'll find it's a really great set of dies. If you don't already have it, I definitely recommend it. So I'll take my smoky slate ink to match with that cardstock, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment, which I know you guys know is all about me. I hope your day is filled with sunshine and rainbows. I actually have two groups that have sunshine and rainbows in the name. Well, Sunshine and Rainbows is a card making group that I have, and then I also have Sunshine and Creativity, which is a subscription box I do each month. But anyway, we've got that on there. So of course I love everything about Sunshine and Rainbows. So I'm going to take the little rainbow in this set and stamp it up here like that in our smoky slate. Now you might be thinking, wow, Dina, rainbows are really not gray. You're right. So let's color them in. I've just taken a few blends, and I have to tell you, by the way, that you guys, this card that we're making is actually the inside to a card that I'm going to make on Monday. I was actually going to make that card for today, but then I liked this part better. So, and it was a little quicker and easier. So I thought I would do this in today's video. And then Monday when I'm live, I will do the outside of this card, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So I kind of am giggling at how this all came about, but sometimes that's how it is. Okay, so I've taken my Flirty Flamingo Dark, my light Daffodil Delight, and you can really use whatever colors you want to create whatever kind of rainbow you want. This is Light Lemon Lime Twist. Okay, and then you could stop there, but I just had to add a little bit of my dark Pool Party, and I'll just do one more ring kind of like that right there. And isn't that cute? Those blends are just super cute and easy to do. Okay, so I wanted to put this on here, but I thought this was kind of boring and plain. So I decided to take out my, I think this is called my, I'm not even sure. I'll have it in the description of the video for you what this is. I never can remember. It's a trio punch. But there's a little slit here, and I'm just going to kind of center this up. There's a nice little line here, so it helps you center. And then I just punched. And then I'm going to do that one more time, and I'm going to center this. And then I'm going to punch. Okay, and then I'm going to string some ribbon through here. And I thought our rainbow needed a little sparkle, so I'm going to take some of our white glittered organdy ribbon. I love this stuff. It's really cute. And of course, oops, I want to put it down through this hole and then run it across like this. And then we'll tie this on. But first, I'm actually going to put some dimensionals on the back of my die so that I can adhere it to the card. So, I mean, I think we all knew this was getting popped up, right? So I love that this adds a nice little touch of glitter, and it's gonna brighten up this card. Now I really wanted the background, you know, to be kind of plain and boring, using those 2 shades of gray, so that our rainbow would really pop out on this card. And I think it worked. Okay, so I pulled off all those dimensionals, and then let's put that on there like so. Oh, so cute. And of course, that punch just makes things work so easily. It also will create tags, which is pretty cool. So there's both the hole for the ribbon for your tag, and then the tag corners. So it's a really great punch. I want to say it's the very best occasion punch, but that doesn't sound right. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to trim my ribbon ends. And then I felt like we needed one more cute little touch. And one of my favorite embellishments is the brushed brass butterflies. I love these. And I thought we could just put one on here like so. Like that to decorate. And how cute is this? But wait, there's more. You know we have to stamp the inside, right? Kathy, if you're watching, this is for you. Okay, so I've got another piece of 4x5 1/4. This time it's basic white. And so I'm going to take that rainbow and we're going to stamp it across here. So to do that, I need to clean off my gray ink I had. Oh, here we go. I was going to say I had a chamois so that I can stamp this. I'm going to close up my basic gray. We're done with that. We're going to put pretty colors on the inside. So I'm going to do some Flirty Flamingo, some Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Pool Party, and then we didn't use this on our card, but I will add some Highland Heather just because I think I can fit five of these rainbows. So we'll start with this one. And we're just going to put this at the bottom right here, going off the edge ever so slightly. So that was Highland Heather. Then we'll do Pool Party. You could also do Coastal Cabana, the color that lets us know God loves us. Next up is Lemon Lime Twist. Oh, such a great color. Next up is Daffodil Delight. I also considered Lemon Lolly, just because that's a little softer yellow, but here we are. Okay, and then last but not least is our Flirty Flamingo. And it's going to fit on here. Perfect, just like that. And isn't that adorable? Okay, so let's put this into our card. And there you have it, friends. Such an easy card. Now, don't forget to join me on Monday because we're going to do we're going to do the outside of this card. Let me show you. I'm not going to show you the card, but this is the inside that I did of the card, and I thought it was so cute. I made it into the outside of this card, but we're going to take and make a full card out of this. Actually, I've got a couple versions of it. So check back on Monday with me live at 5 p.m. Central, and we'll have some fun creating that and some other things. So I hope you love this. All the supplies that I use are in the description of this video, along with registration for game night. I would love to have you join us. We have a ball. It is so much fun, and there are amazing prizes at stake and all kinds of stamping fun. So I hope you can join us. If you have any questions about this or anything else, don't ever hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to answer those questions for you. Thank you so much for stamping with me today. If you like this video, the thumbs up always rocks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here so that you'd never miss any of my awesome videos. Have a great weekend, friends. Have a great Friday night. Bye.